that rain back there. Ooh, crikey. Nice big old rain shaft back there. A lot of lightning in it. That thing is zooming. It's almost a little funnel, finger funnel right up there. Back there. Ooh, crikey. Oh my God. The rain back there is blowing, man. I don't know if I want to be sitting under these trees like this. It's raining so hard back there. Coming down in sheets. Holy cow. That's coming down. Can't even see the trees back there. I don't think I've ever seen it rain this hard. Plus that wind, man, it's really blowing. Can't really tell from here. Had to move the car. It was getting really windy and I didn't want all them some trees that fall on top of me. Starting to be able to see back there now. Wow. Some minor limb damage. This is right where I was sitting where I was worried those trees falling on me. I think I see another big one right up here too. And that big old sucker that blew down right there. Can't really see it because it's going down a cliff into the river down there, but give you some perspective. I mean, that thing is huge. A couple more limbs. There's gotta be more, man. That wind was crazy. This is flooded. Big old tree limb in there. Well, those black train tracks on that. It's a lot of rain. 141 is loaded with water. That's what 2 or 3 inches of water does. Probably not 3, but probably about 2 inches of water in about 20 minutes.